Hi, explorers! It's me, Lilly the Mermaid! And today, we're not diving into the ocean. We're blasting off into outer space. We're going to make glow-in-the-dark meteors using this cool National Geographic STEM Kit. Are you ready to mix, mold, and make something totally out of this world? Let's go! We have orange, gray, and glow-in-the-dark polymer powders. And here's our meteor mold. That's where the magic happens. These ingredients will help us make 2 meteor balls that look just like real space rocks. Okay, first up, our orange meteor. Let's pour in the orange powder in our mold and drop it in the water. Science time. When we mix it up, it turns into this thick, gooey paste. That's called a polymer, a special kind of material that can stretch, squish, and harden into a shape. Kind of like how sea slime feels under the waves. Make sure to press it in tight so it picks up all those cratery details. Meteors have bumpy surfaces because they travel super fast through space and get scorched by heat. Now let's make our second meteor. This one's going to glow in the dark. We're mixing the gray powder and the glow-in-the-dark powder together to make a space rock that shines when the lights go out. Can you imagine if real meteors glowed like this when they fell through the night sky? It would look like fireworks from space. Let's pack this one in too. When you press it down, it feels kind of squishy, but starts to get firm, just like real rock forming from melted lava on a planet. Once it's ready, we'll take them out and see how they look. While we wait for them to finish, let's talk about what meteors really are. Meteors are tiny pieces of rock or metal that zoom through space. When they hit Earth's atmosphere, they burn up and make a bright streak of light. That's what people call a shooting star. But real meteors don't glow because of glow powder. They glow because they're super hot. Whoa, look at those! They look just like real meteors, with craters and all. Now, let's see if our glow powder really works. Wow, look at that glow! It's like holding a tiny piece of the galaxy right in your hand. That's what I call stellar science. We did it, explorers! We made not 1, but 2 awesome glow-in-the-dark meteors and learned how science helps us make cool things just like real space rocks. If you liked this experiment, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can explore even more science adventures together.